Climate change is the most critical challenge of our time. Urgent and sustained actions must be taken to both mitigate climate change and adapt to what is already unavoidable. The FARCLIMATE project aims to implement transformative solutions on the path to climate resilience in at least 20 regions and communities across Europe. It will address the complex challenges of developing and expanding climate-resilient measures, making them available and understandable to everyone, while also paying special attention to the social, political and economic barriers commonly found. Our strategy is in line with the European Union. Smarter adaptation. We plan to take a multifaceted approach. Swifter adaptation. We prioritize involving people from various parts of Europe in decision-making, considering their perspectives crucial. More systemic adaptation. We will focus on one of the key priorities outlined by the EC, known as nature-based solutions. International action. We will concentrate on examining the value chains in various regions. From the outset, we believed that the FARCLIMATE was intended to foster collaboration between those who are primarily affected by climate change.
Our contribution to this project, of course, all of the infrastructure and innovation ecosystem that we have in Fundão is at the disposal of the project, of course, and all of the contacts and networks that we have, we will use it and try to bring the knowledge to the consortium and hopefully together inspiring the future.
So the solution that we propose for the project is to create a European network for resilience to climate change brigades.
We like to define ourselves like a sustainable community accelerator, starting from analysis of the socio-economic context of the community that we work with, involving entrepreneurs, policymakers, third sector, businesses and research center.
We are a research organization, but we are more focused on transfer and promotion. We are now more than 70 people working in the development of the value chains of the bioeconomy, the forest bioeconomy.
Incorporating and co-chairing scientific work is crucial for combating climate change, as it leads to the development of new solutions and ideas to mitigate this issue.
This is a work from the research group. We like to provide different perspectives to the different realities because there are not only one eye to see everything. There are different ways of watching what is happening around us.
Our challenge is how to define, design, implement and experiment with a kind of digital artifact, and not only digital artifact, a collection of processes to transfer in a good way the knowledge, the technical knowledge to the communities, and to make available this knowledge to develop adaptive processes for the communities.
We help other organizations to obtain European funding. We also act as a partner and during project implementation, and Contactic has its own department of sustainability.
Currently, the IUCN is promoting the nature-based solution standard, including capacity building for ensuring and facilitating that the actions are aligned with the nature-based solutions framework, supporting and including and integrating the nature-based solutions in the public and private sectors, and also enhancing the nature-based solutions at a policy and economic level.
We are committed to creating synergy between entities and organizations that can provide pertinent data on the mitigation of climate change.
So we work among micro-credentials. We have 6,649 micro-credentials for training, 25 and 50 hours in Portugal. In our national catalog, we develop among them and we develop new ones. And here what we are going to do inside this program is something related with it, micro-credentials. In this case, WP4 has consumers, industry and business oriented.
The team has a lot of experience in the related of climate change, climate resilience and also rural development and economy. And me already work on the climate change and climate smart agriculture, and also focus on gender analysis in our project.
So we develop models in order to understand what are the drivers that trigger the behavior. And we developed surveys and instruments in order to collect data. And then we collect massive data from different countries in order to run the model and to understand what are the drivers for that trigger the consumer behavior. So basically everything we do is based on evidence.
To put it all together, FARCLIMATE claims to be a genuine hub for transformation, thus generating synergy among labs, organizations and companies, putting together economic, scientific and social strategic points throughout the European space. FARCLIMATE, moving forward to achieving climate-resilient and sustainable European regional economic systems.